This video shows how the R&R service works. It is the faculty's service for booking devices or rooms. The booked materials are issued and returned in BERNAL, the storage area on the ground floor. To get to the service, you have to click on the link Instalaciones y Servicios on the faculty webpage. To connect from outside the university, you have to use the virtual private network. Click on the following link for instructions: www.ehu.eus/VPN. To enter the application, the LDAP username and password are required. This is the same account that is used to manage any other academic services online. To select the language, click on My Información in the top right corner of the R&R web page. Then, in the option Idioma predeterminado, select English and press Actualizar, Update. Once inside the service, the Search tab allows you to search for available resources such as media recording devices, cameras and microphones, or the laboratories or other rooms. After having selected the resource, enter the date and time and press the Search button at the bottom of the menu. A multicolor matrix will appear. The white columns show when BERNAL is open and the gray ones when it's closed. The color rows represent the status of the reservations for each resource. Have a look at the legend on the bottom left corner for the color code. Once the availability has been checked and the time and date selected, a menu with 3 parts will be shown. In the first part, in the description field, the user has to enter his or her mobile phone number and the teacher that will be responsible for authorizing the booking. Secondly, the precise date and time when the material will be issued and returned has to be selected in order to avoid any delay. If the material is returned too late, the user will be notified through email and the corresponding penalty will be applied. In the part Add Related Items can be added to the main resource. For example, if you book a camera, you may want to add microphones or headphones. To see how many items of any kind are available, just move the mouse over the asterisk inside the orange square next to the item. It is important to check the availability of every one of the items we want to add, as if any of them are unavailable, the whole booking will be cancelled, and the user will have to repeat the process again. For the P2 cards, it is recommended not book them with the other items, as they are going to be needed for longer, in order to import or save the recorded media. Therefore, this should be booked separately in another booking which allows the user to keep them for 24 hours longer than the other equipment. Finally, the user has the chance to click on Create Recurring to create a booking that repeats at the same time between the entered dates, daily or on a fixed weekday basis. Before finishing the booking, you have to agree to complete the booking's protocol. To do so, the LDAP password has to be entered again. The booking will be shown with white lines, which means that the teacher has to authorize it. You have to contact your teacher to ask him or her to authorize it. It has to be authorized in less than 72 hours. Otherwise, the booking request will be automatically removed. The students can access the tag My Bookings to check the list of reservations made and their status. Once the booking has been authorized, the process ends. Also, if you have to modify the booking once you have finished the process, the booking will have to be authorized again. Thank you for your attention.